Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Start sharing your thoughts and expertise with the world by writing a blog on Squarespace. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to create, format, and publish your posts, making sure your content shines. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. First of all, make sure guys that you are on squarespace.com and log into your account by clicking on login or simply by getting started so you can create a fresh new account. Once you have done that, then you are going to create a website. They will give you several tries for your website, so make sure you have a free space for a new one. So like me, I will delete one and then I'm gonna create a new site. For this one, I'm gonna choose it to be blog, and I'm gonna click on next and skip all the others. I'm gonna browse templates and I'm gonna choose something that matches blogs. I'm going to go with this one just randomly. I'm gonna choose these colors and I'm going to click on start with this design. After that, the settings will be built up for you and the page will be loaded. And then you will have to give your website a name. So you simply have to wait for it to give you the place where you are going to put your name. As you can see here, there is the site title. So just give it like a name, click on next, 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 and get started. As you can see here, we have the page, we have the templates, and everything is ready to go. Here you can edit the style of the site, so you can click on it and you can edit a couple of things such as the heading, the colors, the button format, and the forms. But that doesn't matter because what we need is to write blogs. Now for blogs, we need to make sure that we have a page for them. So usually what I'm gonna do is to go to home, as you can see here, to websites, pages, and I'm going to click on add new page. So let's do that. Click on new, and as you can see here, you will have pages. You can start with blank page, page layout, scheduling, or collection, which has blog. Click on blog so you can choose the blog. And as you can see here, click on add blog, and as you can see, we have here some blog layouts. So I'm gonna go with this one. And as you can see, you will have to name it right over here. So let me just click on it and click on settings. And from here, we can change the name of this. So let's name it blogs. Let's name this as well. This as well. And for everything else, we just keep it as it is. And just like that, click on save. And we have the blog page ready. Now for the blog content, click on here. And basically, you can click right over here to add a new blog. Basically now, all you need to do is to type in your blog. So simple, very easy. Give it a title and type the text here. You can add links to the text, you can add quotas, you can literally write anything you want, choose the colors and define everything. You can even move the text section with wherever you want. You can edit the section itself and change the colors, for example the background. You can change a lot of things going on in here. Let me for example turn it white and it will be turned into white color. Now for this, let's give it a title. Now for the blog itself, for writing it, well, it's basically up to you how you wish to write it. You can write it from scratch, so you can type it as it is. For example here, title, word, best actors, for example, and here write the blog itself, so you can start typing it normally like that. Or you can use AI such as ChatGPT to help you maintain the best SEO possible for your website so it can rank up in the search engine. Also, if you are writing it manually, make sure that you are using extensions such as Grammarly. It will help you a lot in case you've made any mistakes in grammar. So you can click on it if something was wrong and it will be fixed directly. Also, if you had any mistakes or you wanted to remove the block by accident, as you can see, you will have still the block recreated. So even if you try to delete it later on, like and you wanted to write something else, you can still have the section here for yourself, so you can write your blocks in this good area. And as you can see here, the blocks has been added to a page, which is the main menu. So it is a page right here. So for now, it's only up to you. You can now write your blocks here. You can write different things. For example, here we have the text paragraph. So for example, paragraph number 1, let's say for example, I'm gonna write for example, I don't know, something Smith, I don't know, let's say Lionel Messi, even though he's not an actress, an actor. So Lionel Messi. Here, let's say we want to add like a picture. Then you have to click right here and make sure to choose image. So by choosing image, you will be able to add kind of like pictures within your blog, so you can keep it as live and vibrant as possible without only having text. Also, you can move sections around, so you can have some kind of attractive layouts and grid in your website to attract people attention and make them focus on specific areas within your site. Otherwise, it is completely up to you now to go around these tools and use them for your own benefits. Of course, each one of you guys will have its own uses of these tools to maintain the best creativity possible that he can have. And of course, what I will highly recommend is basically checking other websites and try to copy their layouts and their style. So you can have, so you can have an idea how the domain of blogs working, and so you can have the best page of blogs possible in your Squarespace website. And that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. It's as simple and easy as that. Do not forget, once you're done with your blog, make sure to save it by clicking on save right over here. This will make every changes that you have made in your blog area saved and not lost in any kind of misfortune. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will try my best to answer all of your questions and problems. See you guys in the next video.